So we've done our client quote and they've accepted. Now what? Let's go. Hello, last week we did a walkthrough quotation of a domestic quote. You will find that above and it will be available at the end of this video. So you've done the quote and the client has said, yes, we want to come aboard. You're the best person that we've seen. So now we're going to go through the process of what happens next to make sure that continuing customer service and customer experience continues from your very professional quote all the way up until you set a cleaner free in their home. The first thing we're going to do is send a confirmation email. We're going to send it to the client thanking them for choosing the services of ABC Cleaning. We're going to attach our terms of service, which we've spoke about before. And we are also going to attach any special details when we've arranged to get the key, etc., etc. On the email, we have told the potential client when we will be arriving, the date, the time, and possibly even the cleaner will be arriving with. The second thing we are going to do is set up the clean. It is a first clean. Now, unless you are the cleaner that did the quote, you already know where the mop and the bucket lives, you already know what their tiles are made out of in the bathroom, and you already know how to treat their Belfast sink in their kitchen. If you have staff members, I personally think it is so important to do a clean setup. This is why they pay you the extra bucks as a business rather than using Sally Sole Trader from down the road. When doing a setup, you will walk through the home with your cleaner as you did with the client. You will be spelling out the time allowed in each room. You will be spelling out the tasks required to be completed in each room, and you will be spelling out the expectations of the clean to the cleaner, the same expectations you've promised to the client when you did the quote. Something to think about is whether you keep any sort of on-site records. I personally do in my business and I find it works really well. Before we did that, it would be sticky notes everywhere, and it's hard to keep with the consistency or to keep track of the client's concerns if it's just random sticky notes stuck to random things in the kitchen. So we like to keep all of our things all together in a client communication record, and it's something I'd really recommend you think about in your business too. So we set up the clean, we set up the expectations, and now we are going to go back and close off the clean. Now, even if your cleaner is the most supery dupery duperest of all cleaners that you employ, still go back and check the first clean. It helps you have a chat with your cleaner to make sure the timings were fine. They didn't find any hidden dirtiness or mankiness behind things as they were pulling out objects. That the tasks assigned to the clean are doable and achievable. It will also give you a chance to check the cleaner's work, have a look around the home, take any after pictures if you took before pictures for your social, for example, and also you will have a recollection of what the clean looks like for when you call your clients a bit later on today. The final thing that we like to do when onboarding a client is to get some client feedback. So after the first clean, you would give that client a call on the day of the clean.
Hello Mr. Client, this is Kelly calling from ABC Cleaning. I'm just giving you a quick call to check on your first clean and how you found that today. And if there's any feedback I can take from you.
So what do you do to onboard clients? Do you have a system? Do you have a process? Is it the same? Is it different? Did I miss things? Should I be adding things? If you think so, please let me know in the comments below. And make sure while you're there, you are liking, thumbs upping and subscribing to this channel. So my friends, as we come towards Halloween, we are getting into Naughty November. In Naughty November, I want to talk about the naughty things staff and clients can do. But if there's something you want to see on this channel, if there's a video you'd like to see me cover, please let me know in the comments below or drop me a message on Instagram and I would love to make that video for you, because if you are feeling these things, I can guarantee you there'll be millions of us out there in the cleaning business world empire who will be feeling exactly the same things. So I will be back here next Wednesday. If you want to watch the video I spoke about doing a walkthrough quote, you will find that here. If you want to watch the playlist so far on all the things we've covered throughout October, you will find that here. And to subscribe to the channel, because you know you should, press this little circle here and I'll be back Wednesday. Until then, you have a very good week. Bye bye.